Hello, stay safe, learn Excel. Under 2 minutes. Today we are going to look at how to use the mid function to display the middle letters of an entry in a cell. So we use the mid function, equal sign mid. We select our mid, we open our parentheses, we select Algeria, comma. We are starting from the second digit, so we use 2, comma, and after the second digit, or including the second digit, we want the 3 numbers, including the second digit, or the 3 letters, or the 3 digits. So 3, we close our parentheses, we enter. So you see that we are picking it from the second digit. So from the second digit, it's an L, or from Algeria, it's an L. Counting from there, we pick the first 3 digits, so LGE. That's how to use the mid function. There you can now drag it down, and we have it for all. So for Ghana too, you see that from the second digit you have HAN, that's the middle number, Han. Thank you very much, and continue to follow us on this channel, Red Excel. Have a wonderful